The challenge has begun. Supreme Court hears initial arguments and rebuttals to the legal challenge of the National Identification Act (NIDS). Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, it's Batman. Buzz slams the opposition's NIDS challenge.
Jungle Justice. Police investigate mob killing in St. Anne.
Survival. Trinis affected by floodwaters face harsh realities.
Connected. We begin the first in a three-part series on the government's free Wi-Fi program.
And in business news, promotion. Agriculture Minister pushes for growth of the meat industry.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the opposition's challenge to NIDS?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.